So I am starting a new job. For the job, I need to have my first aid training done. So I'm just doing the online portion for it now. I have my training tomorrow. But yeah, the module is very long, but I need to get this done before my training tomorrow. I have to finish this all tonight, or I have to finish this all today, or else I cannot go to the training tomorrow, which is like 9 to 5, it said. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. And then you have Mochi, the lucky cat who just sleeps all day and is adorable and precious, but also a little devil. Ooh.
Organic, but no choice.
What'd you say?
The best vegetable in hot pot.
I don't think that's true.
I disagree with your disagreement.
We are in a disagreement.
You'll have to excuse me.
These are really good. Yuck. Tofu noodles. Oh, they have a thick one. I look like a Gen Z.
Sure.
So a friend is coming over for dinner and catch up because we haven't seen him in a while, and we decided to do hot pot at home. So these are just some of like my go-tos when I am doing hot pot at home. So we do watercress, we have cabbage, these are bean curds, and then we also have the tofu noodles along with sweet potato noodles. We have cognac, we have some chicken broth, we have mushrooms, tofu, and this is the beef that we get. So yeah, friend should be here soon, and then we can munch.
The 80s like with plus ones in my life. Mostly on my side though. 3 tomorrow? No.
Well, maybe closer to evening. Pretty much our downstairs looks like this. Because they're gonna go outside, take the...
Rude.
Yeah, and we're just like, but we're the ones who fought her. Pardon?
Yeah, flex your muscles. Oh, it's so yummy.
I'm just gonna basically do this.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's a.
Like, turn it over again.
Oh, oh.
Right,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
both of them.
You're so small. Hi. Hi. Are you a good boy?
Yes, good boy.
I didn't even need to do anything. Come on. Down.
No, the down is now right down. Yeah.
Come on. Sit. Paw. Oh.
Hi.
But that makes more.
My goodness. Okay, go back.
Sit. 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 Good boy.
Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's such a good boy.
Paw.
Oh, he's such a good boy. He's such a good boy.
Down. Down.
Oh.
Paw.
That was a clean paw.
Usually does that.
That was a clean paw.
I was so used to seeing like that coop there.
It's not there anymore.
It's not there anymore, yeah. So that was kind of sad. And then also,
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Any other non
Oh, it's a potato.
salad? Should be 16 total wins. Everyone has enough for 4.
Mmm.
Especially with potatoes.
Oh, yeah.
Bong.
With the potatoes, it's so good.
These are beef ribs, right? Oh, I wonder if they're pork. I don't know.
Mmm.
I don't know what mixing too much alcohols. LOL.
Like San Francisco. Yeah. I think it's at 80 feet with 12, or 100 feet with 14, which
Yeah,
tells
so
me
how would
that
a
the higher
16
you go, it'd be thinner.
Oh, really?
That's what I'm thinking.
He's a good boy. Are you a good boy?
Or just his noggin right resting on the.
Oh my god, he's not going up. Okay, he's off.
it's nice having apps. 1.76 kilometers.
He needs friends that aren't extremely skilled at skiing, so.
Hello. We are going to the ROM today because they have the Auschwitz exhibit and we wanted to check it out. I've actually been to Auschwitz before. I went to Poland when I graduated high school and I went and walked around Auschwitz and it was really heartbreaking and interesting, very insightful and informational. So I'm excited to see what they brought. It's like touring across different countries. I don't know, it said something like 300 items or something like that, like they brought it. So I'm super excited to see what they brought. And then we're gonna eat lunch downtown, probably get some dim sum. And then I think the plan is to walk around Eaton Center and go shopping. But yeah, it's gonna be a really fun day. It's a beautiful day. Little bird. The exhibit was great. I did film some parts, but I don't think I'm gonna include it. But I would highly recommend people go. It was very
Bone chilling.
bone chilling, and you learned a lot. My favorite part was there's these silver rings that are made out of spoons for these prisoners who like they fell in love in the camp, and the guy would like give the girl all these gifts for like survival, so like shoes, he gave her gold, and he would get in trouble for it, but he would like do whatever to make her happy. And then they both survived and were freed and like left the camp, and the guy asked the girl if she would marry him, and she said no. Yeah, she said she wasn't ready for marriage, but she said no. I was like, oh. But the rings were really cute. He like engraved the names. He put like a red heart in the center of the ring, and that was a little funny. I'm only saying it because like we know that they survived, but yeah, the rest of the exhibit was very very sad, very intense. I can't believe they brought so many things. They brought like a whole structure that you could walk in. That was crazy. But yeah, I would recommend going. But now we are gonna go eat. We're kind of near Chinatown, so we're probably gonna get some dim sum. There's Mama Pack waiting for Papa Pack. Mama Pack. I'm so full. I over-ordered. So full. We're at Eaton Center. Wow. Oh my goodness.